how do you avoid costly downtime in your process line? Are you doing any predictive maintenance? Yes. Hi, I am Manjunath Patil, Product Manager from LAPP India. For many survey results, we came to know that this type of fault will happen because of cable failure. And all of us know that cables are backbone of the seamless network connectivity. In order to ensure zero downtime in a process line, the LAPP has introduced the device is called ETHERLINE device. It is used to monitor the condition of network cable and to avoid the expensive downtime. Hence, the ETHERLINE guard is a best predictive maintenance device.